I just discovered a man that had zero Bitcoin but wrote different books about Bitcoin. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you about a particular man that had zero Bitcoin, that have no Bitcoin, but going to conferences, telling people about Bitcoin, explaining to people how Bitcoin is going to run and how it's going to eliminate paper money. In this particular video, I would like you to stay with me because I will tell you where he started and when he heard about Bitcoin and the first time he heard Bitcoin. Who is this person? His name is Andreas Antonopoulos. Andreas was born in London around 1972, but he grew up in Greek. And this man studied computer science with some other courses. Now, this man started working with some privacy company around this time. Now, fast forward to 2012, this man heard about Bitcoin. That was the first time this man heard about Bitcoin. This man was now curious to know more about Bitcoin. Now, like, okay, what can I do to help Bitcoin? Now, this man started talking about Bitcoin. But by 2012, he actually quit his job to start talking about Bitcoin. Now, this man started preaching the gospel of Bitcoin. He started talking about Bitcoin, going to conferences, explaining how Bitcoin is being run. Now, in 2012. Now, fast forward to 2014, this man released the first book of his, and the book was titled Mastering Bitcoin. This man released this book around 2014. When this man released this book, people started reading about this, and people refer this book as the Bible of Bitcoin, and people refer this book as Bible of Bitcoin. Now, fast forward to 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. This man released a book titled The Internet of Money. The Internet of Money, Volume 1, Volume 2, and Volume 3, around 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Fast forward to 2018. This man now released Mastering Ethereum, the same way he released Mastering Bitcoin around 2014. This man released Mastering Ethereum with a co-founder called Gavin Wood. In my last video, I talked about this man called Gavin Wood. You can actually go and watch this particular video. And if you have been enjoying this video so far, I would like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, let's continue. Back to 2017. Now, this man have been going to conferences talking about Bitcoin, and a lot of people love this man called Andreas. Now, but this man now released a blog that he held zero Bitcoin. He has no Bitcoin in his wallet. He has nothing about Bitcoin, but he keep talking about Bitcoin. People are not like, wow, how? People are not like, how will a man talking about Bitcoin had no Bitcoin in his address? Now, people now start donating to him. Now, people donate within an hour. People donated around 100 Bitcoin. That was when this man actually put Bitcoin on his own. I think this man is a genius that we need to respect a lot because this man is not in for the profit. He's actually in for the tech. Now, this is the first person I actually see that actually preach about Bitcoin and has no intention of holding Bitcoin. Now, this is the first man, and I think you enjoyed something in this particular video. If you learn something or you actually grab something in this particular video, I would like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am Nunat, and this is Nunat.coinage. We talk about dev story like this. Like, share, and comment. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.